Hello everyone, welcome to Alina's Fashion. Please subscribe if you're new to this channel. Hit the subscription button. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about this beautiful road rose made with this sequence fabric. So this is what I'm going to be using. So we're using 6 inches by 54 inches. Depends on how mm, long or how big or small you want it to be. You can take any measurement of your choice. So just fold it like this, fold it into two. Okay, the length of this fabric I'm using 54 inches for the length. Okay, so I'm going to be folding it like this. Okay, then I'll get my needle and my thread, matching thread. Okay, the thread should match your fabric. Then I'm going to be stitching from the edge of the fabric. So this is the edge of the fabric. I'll stitch like this, okay, and come down like so. I just stitch it down like so, okay. So this is how I'm going to be stitching it. I just stitch it all through to the other end. Meanwhile, you don't stitch close the other end. I'm going to stitch this down to the other end and turn it out. So I've finished stitching. Okay, so I've turned it out. So I'll be folding like this. I'll just fold it. This is the rolled rows. This I'm going to be rolling this rows. Please subscribe to Alina's Fashion. So I'm going to be rolling this rows like this. So as you roll the rows, you stitch it. You just use your needle and thread and secure it tightly. So as you're stitching, you bring the needle out of this part. You can stitch back and forth to secure it. So make sure you secure it. As you can see, the rose is coming out very beautiful. As you can see, I'm making sure that I tightly secure the rolled rows, okay? The fabric, I make sure it's tightly secured so that it won't loosen up. Please make sure it is very tight, okay? And then there's something I'm going to be doing in the middle of the rows. So just keep tightening it. Basically, this is what we do. If you notice, you see that I'm making a round rolled rose, okay? I'm folding it and it's now round, as you can see. So I'm going to be securing the middle part. I'm going to be securing the folded parts. Going to be tying it as much as I can. So this is what you do. Seven continents are: number one, Asia; number two, Africa; number three, Australia; number four, North America; number five, South America; number six, Antarctica; number seven, Europe. So this is our road rules. We're taking it all the way to Europe, to the seven continents. So this is the part of the flower called the petal. Is on the center of a flower, for us flower. So we're going to be talking about the parts of the flower. Since we're talking about flowers now, number one is anther, number two is filaments, number three style, number four petal, number five ovary, number six stigma, number seven sepal. So we just had a brief discussion of flowers, the best way to learn and count at the same time. So secure it so tightly like I'm doing. Secure it like so. Like I said earlier before now, the middle the part called the petal. So I'm going to be inserting the petal here and now going to be securing it with the needle and the thread. See how beautiful it looks? Very beautiful to behold. This is a folded rose. And it's all done. Wow! Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Alina's Fashion. I love you.